Do you want to have a title, but not simple title like the sensitivity analysis? The dynamic one means that in case of the user select the year, so we have a title here dynamically. Let's look together. In the measure table, I create a new measure, dynamic title. So we start with the define a variable to identify year. So I put the year equal by what was that? The year is comes from the dim date here. So we select the how we can select. So we should use selected value. In the case of you don't know selected value, please look the other video in this channel. So we use a dim date and select the year. So far, so good. We need a return. What we want to return? Sensitivity analysis. So we should put on human. And then we should add with and so now we should add year. Now we want to add here to be more visible. So we should add a card and add dynamic make fit here. Good. We don't need any label, so we can remove the label. We don't need this one. And so you have a chance to select the other aspect in the case of you want to change or the effect of the background is not the case of this video. Just we added dynamic title. Now when I change it, the 2018 is changed. 2017 is changed. It's better that to add a one space here to be more elegant. Now that's fine. So we can even remove that one and just use this one in the case of the user selected can have the different year here. The hope enjoy of this video. Come back to see more tip and trick or more content in this video channel. Bye for now.